Welcome to the EO platform. Here, you'll find various molds, vases, and scents, which you can either purchase online or get them at a physical store. Let's sign up. Fill in with your information and choose a username. Here, when you buy an EO kit, you get a unique access code to be able to join our community, where you can get informed about our kits, the benefits of aromatherapy, and our vast 3D model gallery, where you can download and print yourself your own molds or buy them and get them sent to you. Here, you can choose the emotion of your kit. Let's see anger. It describes the benefits of the scent, the ingredients you'll need for this emotion, and the instructions to create your own incense. Let's go back to the main menu. When you press these three dots, this menu appears. Here, you can edit your profile, register promo codes to get special offers. This emotion tracker shows your lifetime purchase orders. The Buy Local button allows you to track in which stores the EO kit is available and what scents you can find in that specific store. For example, here it shows that the nearest store is the Museo in Century Plaza. Just click the location icon and then a menu will show up with the emotions and scents you can find there. In case you run out of a specific ingredient, here you can also find the stores in which you can buy it without needing to purchase the whole kit again.